how to bypass iCloud lock to owner easily using free app. So let's get started. In the realm of online services, a multitude of ideas abound, yet not all guarantee the security users rightfully demand. However, today I present to you a selection of platforms that prioritize security at their core, ensuring users peace of mind through fundamental measures. So let's get started. Firstly, let's explore unlockhere.com, a platform that not only promises the convenience of AI powered unlocking but also ensures robust security measures are in place. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, unlockhere.com not only accomplishes tasks swiftly but also prioritizes data protection and users' privacy. Now, moving on to safeunlocks.com, a platform that prioritizes your security of its users. Their commitment to safeguarding your data and privacy is evident, providing a sense of assurance in their service. And there is third one, logtoowner.com, a service characterized by its straightforward approach and user-friendly interface. Their emphasis lies in simplifying the unlocking process, making it accessible and convenient for all users. And last but not the least, iLog app, which is distinguished by its simplicity and user friendliness. Navigating through this application is a breeze, offering a seamless experience for users looking to unlock their iCloud device effortlessly. Now let's move towards how to use unlockhere.com. Now to use unlockhere.com, simply scroll down and tap on remove activation lock. When you tap on remove activation lock, it will navigate you towards supported device. Tap on your supported device and tap on the next icon. Now here, each iPhone possesses its unique International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, that is IMEI, distinguishing it from other devices. This alphanumeric code serves as a crucial identifier for iPhones, facilitating various functionalities such as tracking, activation, and unlocking. So now all you have to do is go to the general, select about, and scroll down until you find the IMEI section, and then type that IMEI number here and type on next. And now all you have to do is write your name and email address and click on all the remaining boxes and verify that you are not a robot and start with the process. And this will alternatively help you to bypass iCloud lock to owner easily. So now the next process is, I would recommend to reach out to the Apple support directly. They have dedicated team of experts who can provide guidance and solutions tailored to your specific needs. Here you can just go and reach to Apple support. You can receive personal assistance from experts who are knowledgeable about iCloud and Apple ID issues. They can help you resolve your problem efficiently and ensure that your iCloud experience is smooth and trouble free.